Ever feel like you're constantly eating, like no matter what you do, you're always reaching for another snack or meal? Our modern world pushes us to snack, graze, and indulge all day long. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, it's at our desks, in our meetings, and even at social gatherings. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that could unlock a healthier, more energetic you? A method that has been practiced for centuries, yet is only now gaining the recognition it deserves. It's not a magic pill, it's not a crazy diet fad, it's intermittent fasting. This simple yet effective approach involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to reset and rejuvenate. You've probably heard whispers of this ancient practice, but what's the big deal? What makes intermittent fasting so special? Why are so many people ditching the constant snacking and embracing periods of fasting? The answer lies in the numerous benefits that come with it. From weight loss to improved mental clarity, intermittent fasting offers a range of advantages that can significantly enhance your quality of life. Well, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into the world of intermittent fasting and uncover the incredible ways it can transform your body from the inside out. Get ready to learn how this practice can help you achieve your health goals, boost your energy levels, and even improve your overall well-being. Stay tuned because this journey to a better you is just beginning. Intermittent fasting has become a buzzword lately, but what does it really mean? Intermittent fasting isn't just about what you eat, but more importantly, it's about when you eat. It's a pattern of eating that alternates between periods of fasting and eating. This method doesn't prescribe specific foods to eat, but rather focuses on the timing of your meals. It's all about cycling between periods of eating and voluntary fasting on a regular schedule. This can help regulate your body's natural rhythms. This isn't about starving yourself, it's about giving your body a break from constant digestion and allowing it to tap into its natural healing and fat-burning abilities. By doing so, you can potentially improve your metabolism and overall health. There are different ways to do it. Some people fast for 16 hours a day and eat within an 8-hour window. That's the popular 16-8 method, which can be easier to manage for those with busy schedules. Others prefer to fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. This method, known as the 24-hour fast, can be more challenging but offers a different set of benefits. The key is finding what works best for you and your lifestyle. It's important to listen to your body and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist can also help you tailor a fasting plan that suits your individual needs and goals. So, what's the deal with intermittent fasting? It's all about balance, timing, and finding a routine that supports your health and well-being. Now, the science behind why intermittent fasting is causing such a stir. This dietary approach has been gaining popularity not just for weight loss, but for its potential health benefits that go beyond the scale. When you eat, your body releases insulin to help your cells absorb glucose from the bloodstream for energy. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas, and it plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. But when you fast, your insulin levels drop, and here's where the magic happens. Lower insulin levels mean that your body can more easily access stored fat, which it then uses for energy. This process is known as lipolysis. Lower insulin levels allow your body to access stored fat for fuel, leading to, you guessed it, fat loss. This is one of the primary reasons people turn to intermittent fasting. But the benefits don't stop at weight loss. Intermittent fasting also triggers something called cellular repair, where your body gets busy cleaning up damaged cells and creating new, healthy ones. This process, known as autophagy, is essential for maintaining cellular health and longevity. Studies suggest that this cellular cleanup can help reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and even extend lifespan. The benefits of intermittent fasting go far beyond shedding a few pounds. People report feeling sharper, having more energy, and experiencing improvements in their overall health. Studies show it can improve insulin sensitivity, lower blood pressure, and even reduce inflammation in the body. Some research suggests it might even have brain-boosting benefits, potentially protecting against neurodegenerative diseases. Before you jump on the fasting bandwagon, it's crucial to know that intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with a history of eating disorders, and those with certain medical conditions should steer clear. And listen up, if you're on medication, especially for diabetes or blood sugar control, talk to your doctor before making any changes to your eating patterns. Now, you might be wondering, can I exercise while fasting? The answer is yes, but it's all about listening to your body. Some people find that light exercise while fasted can enhance fat burning, while others prefer to fuel up before hitting the gym. Experiment and find what works best for you. And remember, proper hydration is key, especially when fasting and exercising. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel. If you're feeling faint, dizzy, or overly fatigued, it's a sign that you need to break your fast and nourish your body. Start slowly and gradually increase your fasting window as you become more comfortable. And remember, consistency is key. The real magic happens when you make intermittent fasting a sustainable part of your lifestyle. So, there you have it. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool that can unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. But remember, it's not a magic bullet, and it's essential to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. They can help you determine if intermittent fasting is right for you and guide you on how to implement it safely and effectively. Now go out there, listen to your body, and unlock your full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips and advice.